Hi guys, today we're gonna make slime. Okay, with one ingredient only. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, okay. So get a piece of glue and glue stick only. I don't know how it's gonna work with regular glue. Okay, open it. Just open it. I already made it once, so okay. Okay, you get this scissors and get pieces out. Pieces out. Get pieces out. Yes, get these pieces out. Wait, why do I have hair here? No one wants hair on their slime. Take this out. Take this out. Okay. Okay. Let's get this. Dang. Okay. The glue got out of my. Glue got out of the whole thing. That's good. Then just put it on here, in the middle. I had problems. Okay. Might not get this out. Okay, put this right there. Get this hair out of me. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, so what you want to do is get this. Oh no. Need to. Yes. Guys, need to get this. We're done now. Want to get all that in the middle. Oh, I don't really have much space. Okay. If my mom speaks Spanish or something, and she says, no, it can be wherever. But no. Tienen que estar siempre en el medio. para que no se vaya donde quiera y se arrugue. Ya lo hice una vez. Okay. I didn't really talk Spanish. I just changed it. Just changed into the mode in Spanish. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Click big, click small. And I looked on the internet right now, and yeah, you could do it with regular glue. Just pour it in, and you have to shake it like that. But look, guys, I got it already. Looks like this. Okay, let me go get the food coloring. Be right back. Okay, and then wait. Okay, when you have everything ready, when you have everything smushed and stuff, you can add food coloring. Let's get this right there. Okay, have everything in the middle. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. 3 drops only. More than 3 drops, you're done. You have to start all over. Okay.
Hey, no quiero yo salir allí. No me estés grabando a mí.
And it should look like this. Now you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. I'm still waiting. Okay. It's been like an hour and nothing happened. I think it's ready. See? Okay. Look what I can do. Okay, that's the end.